In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TradingView on laptop. So you can just go and type TradingView as an example on your preferred browser and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you can click on the first link and you should be taken into their account. So now you want to set it up and install it as an example into your PC. So as an example, this will take you first of all to their website and you would like first of all to create an account before installing it. You can go and click on get started and just of course create your account. Of course, you can sign up for free if you want to. You'll be able to come here and you'll be able to sign up into your account. So an example, once you create your account, you can just go back here, an example, to trading and type again trading like view and then click on install or type install after. So as you can see here, you'll find the desktop application. You can just go and click on it and simply you'll find here a download option for Windows. So once you click on it, as you can see, this will download, click on save. And once it is downloaded, let's just wait for it. So 6, 3, 2, 1 second. I'm just going to double click on that. And once I do so, normally I open it twice, the setup should start. So what I'll need to do here simply, you can check this button off launch when it's ready, then click on install and this will set up this on your computer. For me, I'm just going to click on cancel, but for you, click on install and this will set up. So of course, you'll have then to log in into your account. So make sure you already created an account before. And yeah, so that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.